Hi, welcome to LaLas World. Today we'll talk about how to cash out on the Cash App. Let's get started. First, open Cash App. Then, click on your balance to the top. Click on Cash Out. You can choose either Standard, which is your bank account, or Instant. If you choose Standard, it's free. And there will be a date in parentheses when the money will be available. If you choose Instant, there's a 1.5% fee. Please note you will have to have a bank account and a debit card attached to your account to use this feature. If you don't, you can use your cash card to shop online and at local stores with your balance. See my other video, how to use Cash App and order a free debit card if you don't already have one. Plus that video has a $5 promo code. Wait for the app to process your deposit and your money will appear in your account based on what you selected. Well, thanks for watching How to Cash Out on Cash App. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to check out the other videos on this channel.